Documenting this, it's May 24th, 2016, and here we go. Here are the live cicadas that we just collected from the yard. And here's
Marinade.
the marinated cicadas.
Egg.
And here's the
Egg solution.
ones that are ready for deep frying. And here's the master chef. Say hello. Okay. All right.
And you shake and bake.
Shake and bake. Okay, so there's the finished product, deep fried. Okay, so here we have them. You see them? Hopefully they're not still too hot. It's like either Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yes.
Or what is it? What's the fish place?
Long John Silver's.
Long John Silver. Yep.
It
Not
tastes
bad.
just like it. I agree. Can I have one?
I don't want one.
Yep, I want one.
Ready?
Tasty.
You want another? Oh my gosh, they are really good.
I know.
I tell you.
Here,
I had my
yum yum.
hot for me, you know.
Oh, that's right. You don't like.
I don't have hot food.
Um,
I'm gonna eat one more.
me like.
I could eat this all day.
Who knew?
John
Who knew
is right.
that
Eat
these
locusts.
little crazy, ugly-looking critters would taste so good when they're deep fried and battered?
By me. Haha.
The master
last
chef.
one.
Thank you, Ryan.
The last one.
I've not eaten anymore. Ooh, I've eaten 10
What's the last
at
one?
least.
Me.